Well, welcome back to K-Man Builds. Today I've got a 30-inch piece of pecan sitting back here that I've had sitting around for about 2 years, and got knocked down by a hurricane years ago from a neighbor of mine, and just cut me a piece of it. I could just barely pick this thing up. I'm not exactly sure how much it weighs, but it's about maxed out for my 25 horsepower tractor that I have. So today we're going to go ahead and slab this up. First cut obviously is going to be just kind of square this off, and then probably going to go ahead and maybe 3-inch slabs. We'll see. I may cut the first one 3-inch slabs. I'm just kind of curious to see how heavy this pecan's going to be compared to the oak that I was cutting at 4 inches. So we'll take a look and see what happens. Well, that answers that question. So what you didn't see, this thing starts smoking. I've got diesel going to it trying to lubricate it, but apparently it's so dang hard, it starts smoking the pecan. So yeah, I don't know if that means my blade's dull or what. So got to take a look at it and figure something out. All right, so I'm hoping it was the blade was dulling out. That's why it caused it to smoke, because I got the blade back out. It took a little while. Got the blade back out, tried to go back in just a slight little bit and start smoking again. So for whatever reason, this pecan wood seems to smoke pretty easy on the sawmill. I don't know if it's overheating or what. So let's hope it's just the dull blade. Well, that certainly answers that question. That blade was dull, very dull. So nice smooth cut. So we're going to get on cutting some more. Huh. Looks like we have some friends living in there. Failure. So the motor ran out of gas. I forgot to check it, so I tried to pull it out and popped it right off. Yeah, so we'll fill it back up and put the blade back on. Change of plans. Forgot that the 4 inches is going to come right into here, so I'm going to take this, flip it over.